Let me stop yapping so much. Beautiful. Look at that. That's really darn good. I pulled out all the stops for this one, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Angie here with another video, and today we're gonna do a very fun video, and I have to thank LINJER so much for partnering up with me for a second time. I never thought that this early on in my YouTube journey that I would be collaborating with any brands, let alone a brand that I stand behind fully, how they make things, their core values. They're absolutely amazing. And before we get into the fun part of this video, let me explain a couple of what those are. One of their biggest one, and the one that's highlighted to me the most, was their sustainability practices, with them using up to 100% recycled gold, which is great for the environment. Only use fine metals, which the whole point of paying for a good piece of jewelry is for it to last you for a long time. They will not turn green on you. They also use lab-grown diamonds, which are guaranteed to be conflict-free. Personally, I do not want to give my money to anybody who's causing anyone harm. And on top of that, they do use recycled packaging too. So they are doing what they can to lower their carbon footprint. I try to do as well in my day-to-day life, you know. On top of that, guys, very happy for their affordability practices, because let's be honest, my channel is not monetized, okay? So anything that I buy currently, I do it with my hard-earned money from my job that is not YouTube. So I get you when you say that you do not have the money to afford expensive jewelry. I am going to show you guys a couple of pieces that I found on their website that are under 50 bucks, which for the type of quality that you are getting, I find that this is pretty darn affordable. Now, of course, I understand that right now we are falling under very difficult economic times. Not everybody can go out there and spruce on jewelry whenever they want. But if you're trying to get yourself or anybody that you love a gift, I think LINJER is a great option, because it's a gift that will last probably a lifetime, if not many years. Actually, this is one of the pieces that I got from them, and I absolutely love these earrings. I have been wearing them nonstop. I shower, work out, sleep with them, everything, and they have not done me dirty. I am so excited to show you guys a couple of the pieces that I got, but I'm just not gonna show you the pieces. We're gonna do something fun. You're gonna see. I hope you guys like and enjoy, and thank you so much for LINJER for supporting me and my channel. And thank you, because you simply clicking and watching this video is supporting this channel. Hopefully one day, sooner rather than later, it shall get monetized. Yay! Let me stop yapping so much and actually get to the whole point of this video. So I wanted to show you all of the pieces that LINJER sent me this time, which, well, let's not show that. That's personal. I love their packaging. This is beautiful. But fun fact, you do have the option to get it in a smaller, lesser packaging. But this is great if you just want your package to be mailed directly to anybody that you're gifting it to. So it would show up like this, which is absolutely beautiful. Hi, Angelica. Hope you love your new pieces. Love the LINJER team. Thank you so much, guys. This is so sweet. Let's take all of these boxes out. It's a little storage pouch. This is really cute, you guys. It's like their mission, vision statement. Let's start with this one. Whoa. This tells you exactly what you purchased. So this is going to be the April Birthstone in gold Vermeil. Was I born in April? Absolutely not, but I got this because it's absolutely beautiful. Here we have, this is their jewelry care, and I think it also has their warranty. Yes. It's a white topaz stone. Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. And this is the Elisa ring in gold Vermeil. I chose gold Vermeil because, you guys, it is significantly way more affordable than 14 karat gold. Oh, yes. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Or this way. I don't know which way is more professional. I'm not used to presenting these things, guys. It's not like I sell on QVC for a living, but I believe this was a size 6. Perfect. So that means it's going to fit here. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Look at that. So pretty. This is the Martin. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that. This is the Martin ring with gold vermeil and a white topaz stone. Ah! Yes! I love the shape of this stone, you guys. It's like a teardrop shape. It's so beautiful. This is gonna be my fake engagement ring. Oh, yes. Do I look like I'm engaged? Yes. Am I? Absolutely not. Oh, that's so pretty. This is the Elisa ring, gold vermeil, with white topaz stone. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing this. Elisa, I believe, is right. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Ah, Linear. They do such a beautiful job with these pieces. Now let's get to the second portion of this video. Thank you, Linear. Hopefully you can hear me. I have a mic, but it is not charged, and I'm trying to record this video ASAP, so hopefully the audio comes out good. But anyway, let's get on with this portion of the video. So, with this linear unboxing, I wanted to try something different than what I did last time. Last time, I just simply showed you the pieces. I didn't really do anything significant with them. This time around, I actually wanted to do a little closet shopping. The weather's finally nice here in New York, so I thought, why not do some fun girly things and actually try on some outfits and accessorize them with the linear pieces that I got. I hope you guys enjoy, get some ideas as well for some summer outfits. Let's just be girls and have fun. Alrighty guys, here we have outfit number 1. And it's probably the outfit that I'm going to be wearing the most this summer because y'all, matching sets are just like the easiest way to look put together with little to no effort, and or if you have to put an outfit last minute. Okay, I put on this outfit before I put on my jewelry, and accessorizing an outfit really changes it. Let me get up closer so you can see. Look at that. I got these earrings. These big hoops are not from Linear. Look at that. Imagine you're like going to a brunch or something and you're just like, hey, how you doing? Hi. Ah! You're gonna be that girl this summer. I can't believe those words just came out of my mouth. What do you guys think? I think it's so cute, super, super simple, and of course, accessorized. It just elevates this entire outfit. Funny enough, it matches the cuff of these sandals. Perfect. Alrighty guys, and this is outfit number 2, and you guys, I'm really feeling this. Like, I looked at myself in the mirror and I was like, she looks really darn good. But number 1, please excuse my hair. I didn't really do anything to my face or hair before this video because the focus is not my face, it's the outfits and the jewelry. Something that I started doing recently, and I was inspired by Michelle Choi, which is a huge New York YouTuber as well. Well, I'm a New York YouTuber, but I have a teeny tiny channel right now. I was inspired by her to start playing and mixing my silver and gold or gold vermeil jewelry. And at first I was like, absolutely not, that is sacrilegious. But as I actually started playing with some pieces, I've actually really started to fall in love with mixing and matching things. And I'm gonna show you guys up close what I did with this outfit in terms of accessorizing it. I look at myself in the mirror, I'm like, Ooh, she's hot. You can see all of my tattoos as well, so I like that. All right, but let me show you how I ended up accessorizing this outfit. I have these super large hoops that I think really like make things pop, especially with this top being kind of small. Of course, the white topaz necklace and all of the rings. I like rings a lot. This bracelet is also from Linjer, actually. This is their tennis bracelet, which I got last time from them. And as you can see, guys, like, it matches really well. These are also earrings that I got from Linjer last time, but it like pairs very well. I was very surprised when I first started playing with mixing silver and gold, but now I actually really like it. And it's different. I feel like not a lot of people do that, so it's definitely gonna make you pop. It's gonna make you stand out. What do you guys think? Let me know. Now, let's move on to the last outfit, and it's gonna be a more dressed up outfit. If none of these outfits were accessorized with any of these pieces, I don't think they would look as great as they do. On to the last one. I wish I just had more events or occasions to dress up this much. Looking in my closet, looking at my dresses, looking at my shoes, and I'm like, you need places to go to, Angelica. This is today's final outfit, y'all, and I need a moment. This outfit is absolutely gorgeous, and of course, the thing that really takes it over the top is the jewelry and accessorizing. I pulled out all the stops for this one, okay? So I have these thicker hoop, but the hoop itself is smaller, silver earrings that I thought went really well with the studs, the Linjer gold Vermeil studs. And then I pulled out all of my Linjer rings. Okay, this is every single Linjer ring that I have. This one I got last time, but these three are the ones that I got in this haul. And then of course the white topaz necklace, as well as the tennis bracelet. I mean, y'all can tell me I don't look good. I could go to a wedding with this. I could go to a brunch with this. I could go to a party with this. Heck, I could even go to a nightclub with this. This is a good outfit. This is a very good outfit, y'all. And we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like, so I know you guys enjoy this type of content. And on top of that, Linjer has given me a special code for you guys and link as well. Of course, absolutely no pressure for you guys to buy, but I definitely encourage that you do if you've set out a budget for getting yourself a little something, or somebody who's very important in your life and you want to give them something that they will always remember you by. I believe Linjer is a great and affordable option. I hope you guys enjoyed. You got some inspiration for your outfits. And yeah, thanks again, you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.